Okay, this is Skulk from N14x4.
Corneille from N14x4.
Guys, today we want to show you that we've got a Freewheel Hub auto conversion kit. 3 years ago at Nampo, we had a lot of farmers that complained about their auto hubs. When they're stuck in the mud, then they engage the auto hub, it doesn't work. So from the expert suggestion is, you take your auto hub and you throw them in the bin.
Thank you, Skulk. Everything unpacked, please take us through the Freewheel Hub conversion kit.
Thanks, Corneille. Basically, it entails your 2 side shaft seals, 4 kingpin bearings with the shims, the scraper seals on the back of the steering knuckle housing. Then you've got your 2 stub axles that you need to replace, and they are the right stub axles for the conversion. You've got your 2 freewheel hubs. It includes the wheel bearings, your lock nut kits, and the studs kits. And as you can see, this kit contains both sides.
Why the spindle is so special? It is longer. It needs to hold the nut kits to keep the wheel bearings in place.
Please note that we have got both kits available. The one is for a non-ABS Land Cruiser and for an ABS Land Cruiser. So if you are interested, please contact us on WhatsApp, or you can call us or visit our website for more information. Thanks, Corneille.
Thank you, Skulk. Please have a look at our YouTube channel or visit our website. Hope to talk to you soon. Goodbye.